The other significant diplomatic and economic win this week has been the free trade pact that India signed with the UK. India will get duty-free access for 99% of its products and goods, which is up from 65%. And it's not just that. New Delhi will be lifting duties, which also brings cheaper British cars and whiskey for Indian consumers. Good news also for Indian professionals in the UK as well. Visa process to get a whole lot simpler, cost of living to get cheaper, where Indians will be exempt from social security payments for the 3 years. In fact, as India stuck to its red lines, protecting farm sector and unshackling the labor-intensive sectors that will increase job creations, the mobility concessions are also a huge plus for India's IT professionals. But viewers, the real gain has been the message that the pact has sent to the world. At a time when Trump administration is leading the charge against trade governance, the pact shows that India will negotiate, but not under pressure. It will negotiate, but only from a position of strength, and will not be forced into signing any deal that doesn't further its interests. Since multilateral trade pacts are now being replaced by bilateral agreements, the India-UK FTA sets the tone for New Delhi's future negotiations, not just with the UK, not just with the US, but with EU and even others, whether it's Japan and several others. This is the new template, and this is how India will negotiate. And I think that's the single biggest takeaway of this. Listen in to what Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal had to say about the big win this will be for Indian industry.
हमने हमारा टेक्सटाइल का क्षेत्र हो, हमारे फुटवेयर का क्षेत्र हो, लेदर गुड्स का क्षेत्र हो, टॉयज का क्षेत्र हो, फर्नीचर का क्षेत्र हो, जो लेबर इंटेंसिव सेक्टर्स होते हैं, इन सभी पे जीरो ड्यूटी एक्सेस के साथ अब हमारी एमएसएमईज लोकल से ग्लोबल जा पाएंगी, इसको सुनिश्चित करने का काम इस एफटीए के द्वारा किया गया है। हमारे किसानों को, हमारे एनिमल हस्बेंड्री सेक्टर को प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम फिर एक बार इस एफटीए में भी किया गया है। इसी प्रकार से हमने कई सारे राइस, शुगर, कई सारे जो हमारे सेंसिटिव आइटम्स हैं, उनको सुरक्षित रखा है।